When someone is going through a hard time or a time of grief or a big change, it can be hard to know what to say or help support them. So today I'm going to share with you a diffuser blend that you can give as a gift or use yourself through a period of grieving.
All right.
So for this recipe, it's a diffuser recipe, so you'll want a diffuser.
Okay.
You'll want cypress, orange, and patchouli essential oils.
Okay.
These oils are very calming and uplifting, and cypress especially has been used to help support people through trauma and grief.
Awesome.
All right, so we are going to add 2 drops of cypress. You can add 2 drops of orange.
Okay.
And 1 drop of patchouli.
Remember now the patchouli oil is a bit thick, so it does take a little bit longer to come out, as you can see.
All right, so now that we have that, it's ready to diffuse. If you really like this blend and know you'll be using it often or want to gift it someone, you can make a master blend of this. And for that, you will add 40 drops of cypress, 40 drops of orange, and 20 drops of patchouli.
And we have a cute little label that you can label your 5 milliliter bottle with, so you know what's in it, and it's an awesome little gift to give to somebody.
Yeah, if you are making this master blend, make sure you label it. This label comes with our essential oil recipe box this month, which is a subscription recipe box where you get oils and recipes sent to your door. So let's go ahead and make a master blend of this. All right, once that is added, you can close your bottle and give it a swirl to mix the oils, and you can get that label ready by peeling the back off.
Nice job, Katie.
Thank you.
It's super straight.
So this is a great gift to someone to show that you care when you're not sure what to say.
Maybe get them a card too.
And flowers. All good things.
Hi, I'm Shyla.
And I'm Katie. We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils to make their homes toxin-free.
And you can go to our website and check out our blog post. We have awesome recipe videos there and recipes from our past boxes.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.